Yeah, I guess sweet corn is just summertime, right? It's a crop that loves the warmth of the summers, the humidity of the summers, summer in Michigan. Mostly I had a really good relationship with my parents. I thought that if I raised a family that I'd want to be able to give them healthy food. And so those were the prime motivations in returning to the farm. If you've got good corn to start with, you'll just destroy it by overcooking it. If your experience has been with tough corn that doesn't taste very good, then yeah, you cook it a long time to get it softer. We usually eat our corn raw around here actually, but at most if we do cook it, it's just boiling water for about 30 seconds and then it's out. Well, I think people should shop at a farmer's market because it's a public space and we are lacking public spaces in this culture. You get to see people you know, you get to interact with farmers, you get to ask questions. You really get educated at a farmer's market, more so than you might at a grocery store. People can purchase our corn at the Fulton Street Farmers Market in Grand Rapids and the Grand Haven Farmers Market in Grand Haven.